FloatMe is designed around small, fast cash advances called floats, while Brigit offers larger-style cash advances based on your bank account activity. The speed difference usually comes down to how each app checks eligibility and how simple the request process is. By the end, you'll know how fast each app typically delivers money, what affects approval timing, and which one makes more sense if your main goal is getting cash as quickly as possible. FloatMe is built for speed and simplicity. It connects to your bank account and checks your income activity. If you qualify, you can request a small cash advance called a float. The process is designed to be lightweight, with minimal steps between checking eligibility and requesting funds. Brigit works in a more structured way. It also connects to your bank account and analyzes your income deposits and spending behavior. If your account shows stable activity, it may offer a cash advance before your paycheck arrives. The process is still simple, but it includes more checks in the background. Now talk about what actually affects speed. FloatMe is usually faster because it focuses on smaller amounts and a simpler approval flow. With fewer layers of decision-making, the app can move from eligibility to request more quickly. Brigit can still be fast, but it depends more on how your bank activity looks. If your income patterns are stable and clearly trackable, approval and delivery move more smoothly. If not, it can take longer or not approve the advance at all. Now break down the user experience. FloatMe is straightforward. You open the app, check your eligibility, and request a float if available. It's designed to feel quick and predictable. Brigit adds more structure around your financial profile. You still request advances in-app, but the system is constantly evaluating your account behavior in the background before offering access. Now the key difference. FloatMe prioritizes fast, small cash advances with a simple approval path. Brigit prioritizes slightly larger advances, but uses more detailed bank analysis before approval. So the decision depends on what you actually need. If your main goal is getting a small amount of cash as quickly as possible, FloatMe is usually the faster experience. If you want potentially larger advances and don't mind a more detailed approval process, Brigit is the more structured option. Here's the simple breakdown. FloatMe is built for speed and small amounts. Brigit is built for slightly larger advances with more account analysis. Both rely on your bank data, but they optimize for different outcomes. Do this next. Think about whether speed or advance size matters more in your situation. Then compare how often your income deposits look consistent enough for approval. If you want the fastest small cash access, FloatMe fits better. If you want a more structured advance system, Brigit is the stronger choice.